Good morning. Welcome to Sasarala English channel. I am Nagavani Envi, Assistant Professor of English. In today's class, let us know about the usage of modals can and could. Can is used for permission, possibility, ability in the present tense. It is used to express permission. Ask permission for all persons in the present and future tense. It is an informal alternative to may. Example, can I borrow your car? That means, am I allowed to borrow your car? Can I use your pen? That means, am I allowed to use your pen? Can is used to express possibility in the present tense. Example, you can swim in this river. That means, it is possible to swim in this river. There is no danger. You can finish this work within half an hour. That means, it is possible for him to finish without any obstacles. There is no danger or obstacles. Can is used to express ability in the present tense. Can here means I am able, is able, are able. Example, I can read this novel today means I am able to read this. He cannot complete the assignment means he is not able. Could is used to express permission, possibility, ability in the past. Permission. Example, the students could use the front door. That means they were permitted. They were allowed to use the front door in the past. He could not attend the class. That means he was not permitted. He was not allowed to attend the class. Possibility. He could not bath in the river. That means it was not possible because it was not safe. Ability. Ability means was able or were able. Example, I could eat 10 chapatis for breakfast. That means I was able in the past, not now. We could walk 8 kilometers per day. That means we were able to walk in the past, not now. Okay, I think you have understood the usage of can and could. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.